Did a software update break the Intelihvrouter DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get your specialized tools running again. Avoid long manual edits for Intelihvrouter by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This DLL file is a specialized library associated with Intel virtualization technologies. It assists in routing data between the host OS and virtualized network interfaces to ensure high-speed connectivity for VMs. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Intel graphics driver to repair the core installation and restore the Intelihvrouter DLL component. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Intelihvrouter component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please use caution. Replacing the Intelihvrouter DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. A recommended diagnostic path for the Intelihvrouter management is outlined in the software resource linked below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Intelihvrouter and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.